Ek is lief vir jou, man. Hallo, Bokkie. Hanna, dit gaan goed, hoe gaan met jou?
Check out the bright colors. Wow. So, if I want to come and have a swim this evening, this is where we can swim, come and cool down. Here in Wellington, the place is called Hanna, and you can braai inside here, sit here, enjoy yourself, relax. But how's this view from the deck here? Incredible, really stunning. Let's go look at our place. Come through from the swimming pool. The swimming pool is above us, yeah, with the deck. You come to our little place, which is quite nice, also with a stunning view. You can braai here if we want to, but we're not going to braai tonight. Look at this. Now what I want to say is, look at these people, what they did. They personalized little hand towels with my name on it. Look at that, Curtis, and then there's Sonia's with a little chocolate and Smarties. They know I love Smarties. And look at this, Sonia, and it's spelt correctly. That's what's amazing. Really beautiful. Wow. Kitchen, we can do washing if we wanted to. A little bar fridge for my beers. There's the aircon. And the bathroom. There we go. Really love it. Got a TV for a change. Totally off the grid last night. Totally on the grid tonight. Beautiful place, beautiful place. There's another little place above us, which they also rent out. It's right by the pool. But I prefer the one downstairs. For the two of us this evening is rice with a tomato stew.
Looks delicious.
Looks absolutely
in
stunning.
Wellington.
In Wellington. Good morning. Wow. We just got here yesterday. We just spent the night in Wellington, and what a stay. We were so tired. We just came and crashed and just lay in the room all night. I put up the drone a bit yesterday just to try and get it up. I was hoping to be able to send it up this morning, but the wind's just too bad. Check that out. That is awesome. Check the vineyards in the distance there. Really nice mountains. But the wind is pumping. It would blow my drone back into Cape Town. What a wonderful stay. This is where we spent the night last night. At Hanna in Wellington. I always forget, and I want to say Williston, Wellington. In Wellington.
That cute house there at the top.
Beautiful. Yeah. And I must say, this is the widest road that we've ever stayed in. Look how wide it is. It's
wide
crazy.
enough for 3 ox wagons.
Serious. Church Street in Wellington.
busy early already, hey?
Yeah,
Is that the same church of yesterday?
exactly. The sun's bright this morning. The wind's blowing like crazy. Sonia spotted something as we were going out of Wellington. Something about General Hertzog. So I just like to see those things. See what the plaques say. He had some big part of South African history, so let's see what it is. Oh, so General Hertzog was born in Wellington in 1866. Okay. He was the first, he was the Prime Minister of South Africa from 1924 till 1929. And there's the bug. So today, where are we heading today? Today we will be leaving here at Wellington and we'll be heading towards Franschhoek. So it's not a long distance we're going to be traveling. It's about, I think, according to Google, it's about 57 kilometers. And it's just a straightforward drive to get there, and we'll see what we find interesting along the way, but we're looking forward to getting there. Really pretty area, eh?
Look at the green mountain.
Yeah. And then that massive mountain across there.
Okay, so I think we can safely say we're out of the Karoo.
Oh, definitely. Definitely out of the Karoo.